Morning, mommy.
Morning.
So what are you going to cook?
I'm going to cook tea, boiled eggs, and toast bread.
Then the rest of the things Matthias will do?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Breakfast is one single most important meal of the day, and we all must just know how to make a good breakfast. So my babies have mastered the art. They make breakfast during weekends when they're not going to school, so that is the time for me to rest away from the kitchen. So you can as well teach your kids to do this because it's simple. There'll be little talking, it's self-explanatory. Watch and I hope you enjoy. And give my babies a thumbs up if you think they're doing a good job. Mommy, I thought you were making tea. Why are you making black tea? What is strungi?
Apana. I'm making tea.
Chai ya maziwa? Oh, so you're boiling the strungi first, then you add milk?
Yes.
Okay. So what is in there?
I put water, majani, cardamom with sugar. Now I'm going to put the milk.
My junior chef.
Yes.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to cook sausages, baked beans, and fried tomatoes.
You're roasting tomatoes.
Yes.
So you guys are doing a full breakfast.
Yes.
It's about to go down. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, I hope you will comment and tell us what you think. Please remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Thank you.